I love Greece. Now here in Greece, it is so nice to be able to communicate with the locals. It completely changes your Greek experience. Now I know Greek is a difficult language to learn, but do not worry. Just start with small sentences, daily words, in order to get an easier contact with the Greeks. This starter kit is so interesting and so easygoing because it consists of audio, ebooks, and videos. Now, it's multimedia, so you will never get bored. There are 7 subjects. Each subject consists of a daily language. For example, these things are practically everyday things you need here in Greece. So perfect. Each ebook you will receive in a PDF format, but you can also print them just like I did, so now you can take them anywhere you like. Now, if you have a PC or your phone, you can also watch your videos or your grammar lessons, but you can also listen to the audio and also to the vocabulary lists. What I also like is that everything is explained in both English and Greek. Now, if you do not feel comfortable in actually reading the Greek alphabet, do not worry because there is a bonus. You will receive the complete alphabet ebook plus the videos. Λοιπόν, χαιρετίσματα από την Ελλάδα, καλή επιτυχία και καλό μάθημα!